too good. Now 2 needed from 2 balls. High on emotions, high on drama, high on excitement. Oh, he misses this time. Oh my God, he's been out because the runner had to run. Oh, we see another turnaround in this game.
Yes, it's done, but he has to go. He's played his part for 8. It's 160 for 5. 2 more needed of 1 ball.
What will happen? Do we see a tight game? Do we see a super over? Yes. Tense moments all around. It cannot get better than this. 2 needed of the last delivery. Vikrant is the bowler. Rahul on strike. Karthik hasn't had a strike in this over. The dugouts, the supporters, they're on tenterhooks. Pray, pray, pray. Divine intervention required. You can pray whatever you feel like. In the end, it depends on this man, Rahul. And the person who's got the ball in his hand, Vikrant. And also the fielders.
Wow, the last ball coming up. Oh, he's clipped it. And he's given it out. He's bunkered at him. It's not Well, it's not completely over because the ball hasn't been bowled. Well, there were still arguments and a lot of things chatting going on.
So what does the rule suggest? The umpire is well within his rights to give that decision of run out. But so 2 still needed from 1 delivery. And because he affected the run out before he delivered the ball, logically 1 ball is yet to be bowled. Yeah, but the question is, why is the batsman still there? So 2 still needed from the last delivery. See, Karthik is still there. So the new man have to come in.
It can make up to a perfect movie, isn't it, Sabah? For Bulldozers. They can run 2 here. They miss it. And that's run out. Has he given it? He's going upstairs. So there is still confusion whether it's out or not out. But
Tamanna has affected that run out, and what a time to do that. Pinpoint accuracy. It is Tarun, the new man, who was fans will erupt. There it is, out. So Chennai Rhinos, they have clinched this title once again. They were the defending champs. They have come out in a much stronger mood.
That's what it matters to them. The CCL 2012, the 2nd edition, has again gone to Chennai Rhinos.
And the CCL Season 2 has been a successful event. Chennai defended the target with so much of bravado. So well done. The champion side, Chennai Rhinos, that's Vishal, the captain. He'll go all around the stadium. He will appreciate the support he's received from the fans. They have done a great job. They've come back in such a strong manner. They're almost out. They came through with
And Priyamani, would you hand the trophy over, please? On behalf of your team, that's the one. And as they celebrate, that's all from the presentation arena.
What a fantastic celebration there from the Chennai Rhinos, who truly, truly deserve this title, which they have defended so well. A big congratulations to all of them. And we really couldn't have asked for a better grand finals.